Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Blender by opening Edit, then Preferences. This is mandatory because themes are global settings stored in Preferences. Once the window appears, click Themes in the left column to expose the theme list. You do this now so you can pick presets, inspect UI element groups, and avoid editing individual files. Make sure to pause and confirm you're in the right Preferences window, because changing themes outside Preferences isn't possible. This is the only way Blender. Once in Themes, choose a preset from the top dropdown to apply a complete look instantly. Using a preset is faster and safe. If you need tweaks, expand element groups like Window, Animation, or Text Editor and change colors, sizes, and contrasts. This affects readability and workflow speed. To use a downloaded theme, click Install and point to the XML file. Blender imports and lists it. You do this so your UI matches lighting, visibility needs, or personal taste while keeping the file portable. To finalize, click Save Preferences at the bottom. This writes the theme into Blender's configuration so it loads on restart. Don't skip this or your changes vanish. If the theme doesn't appear, reinstall the XML using Install and verify file integrity. Corrupted XML will be skipped. If colors break panels or text becomes unreadable, reset to factory settings to restore defaults, then reapply a different theme. These steps ensure your UI is consistent and recoverable if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.